That's really good. That's really good.
Guys, welcome back to JD's Expeditions. Today, I'm in Germany, Kiel. This is a Baltic Sea. You can see there's a beautiful beach. Actually, right now it's very cold. No one is on the beach today because it's quite cold and it's very windy. But here you can always come to enjoy the beach. And you can see the boats. Those kind of boats actually live in Germany. They are going all the way to the Norway and the other countries in north of Europe. It's a beautiful place. Look, you can actually come here to watch a sunset. Look at this, very beautiful. I'm gonna show you later. There is a submarine that they used in World War II. It has become a museum now. It is on that side. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. Alright guys, we made it to the submarine, and this submarine was used during the World War II, and now it has become like a museum. So there are like marine officers who are here to explain how it works and how it has been used. And you can see like all kind of equipment and instruments inside. And one of the amazing things we heard is that this is a hybrid submarine. So it was running on diesel when it is on the surface, and whenever it goes under the water, it is running on the batteries. And the batteries could run actually up to 24 hours. You can imagine at that time. Now, the only limitation actually they had was the oxygen supply. So basically, after a few hours, people could start feeling a bit dizzy because of the lack of oxygen. So they'll be forced basically to resurface, not because of the engine or the power supply, but because of the oxygen. And most of the equipment and the beds they use, they are still here, and they show actually how people are used to live here, what they used to eat, and they have replica of actually the food and everything that they used at that time. So if you found yourself in northern part of Germany, especially in the city of Kiel, don't forget to check out this place. It's amazing. Back to the beach. Wow, look at this. So basically guys, this is the seats. So in the summer, you come here, you sit here and you be chilling, watching the beach. And the sun here, it's so clean. Look at this. But I see people who are having fun in the water, even in this weather. Incredible. Alright guys, so I couldn't believe this place. It's actually very, very beautiful, very chill. And you can see there are many people who are walking and having a good time. The wind is actually very cold, but apparently people here are used to it. Actually, you can walk all the way up there. Look at those people. You can walk all the way to that area before you get in the water. So you can imagine now the beach will be like pretty nice in the summer in this place.